May the life stream guide you. The Pheonix Down, a revival potion pulled straight from the crystals of Gaia, and surprisingly easy to brew. 5 things make this one: absinthe, zwack, simple syrup, a splash of grenadine, and club soda to top. Start with 3/4 of an ounce of absinthe. St. George Verte is a great craft pick, or reach for Pernod for the classic French version. Add 3/4 of an ounce of zwack, a bold Hungarian herbal liqueur. If you can't find it, Jägermeister is the easiest swap. A splash of grenadine gives the drink its crimson base. Roses is the classic, but Small Hand Foods makes a beautiful real pomegranate version. Mix the absinthe, simple syrup, and club soda in your glass until the drink turns opalescent. Add ice if you want it cold, then float the zwack and grenadine on top. They settle to form the orange layer over a deep crimson base. Don't go crying to mother, you know what I'm saying? Come back and sit down for another drink soon.